Hey guys, Go Boy and Treasure, trying it again. The light won't come on again. Alright, it's freezing out here at 61 degrees. It says it feels like 59, and it does. It feels cold. So I had to park over here off a side street, and we are walking a really long way. I think my light turned off again. No, it's on, barely. Oh, come on. Come on, I don't want to work, y'all. Okay. I think it's a goner. They don't want to work now. I really need to change the light bulbs in there anyhow, so let's continue on anyhow. I'm sorry it's extra dark, y'all. We're going down there to the street light. We're going to hang a left because there's a TV with a cord on it. At least there was earlier. So if we can grab that, we'll do that. Whew. I don't think I've ever parked on this side street before. I might have. But it might have been over a year ago. Ooh. I couldn't park over here. At least I didn't think I could, so that's why I parked down further on the side street. What's this? And foil. Alright, let's check it out. Alright, I smell something. I don't know what it is. Like tobacco or something? I don't see anybody. Ooh. Uh-oh, somebody's alarm is going off, y'all. There's cars coming. Ooh, I found a piece of metal. I'm trying to get it closer to me. There's a car coming now. Alright, let's see what this is. Alright, that right there, I don't know what it is. Folded over, looks like cast aluminum. That's pretty cool. So if the cord's gone, it's not a total bust. Alright, let's stick it in our bag and continue on. Yes, I got my wire cutters. It's havoc when you forget your wire cutters when you know you need to cut a wire. Alright, let's do this. And is that just foil or a can? Unknown. Oh wait, there's a car coming. 2 cars coming. 2 from this way. 1 from that way. Let's see here. It might be just foil. I don't know. It feels stiff enough. I'll take it. It might be a can all smooshed up. I don't know. I'll take it. If it's scrappy, I don't want it. They don't want it. Alright, let's hope that cord is still on that TV. I've passed up a lot of TVs recently, but the cords have been gone, so yeah. What is that? Look at that yellow circuit board from a remote control. I'll take it. Batteries. Stuff. Here's the TV right here, and it looks like the cord is still attached. I think it's a TV. Best Buy. Does it come unplugged? It makes it easy. Yay, I didn't have to cut it. Man, there's alarms going off like crazy somewhere way far away from here, but I can hear it. Okay, so let's see what this is. I'll flip it over. Yeah, it's a Toshiba. It's all scratched up. But, yep. I got the cord, and I didn't have to cut it. That's like awesomeness right there. Alright, y'all, want to look around some more? Okay. There's pieces of plastic and stuff. I don't see nothing, but we can look around a little bit more, I guess. I wouldn't mind taking that TV apart, but I got my car full. So I'm not going to do that. Because it's kind of dangerous anyways. It'll slice your fingers in there. It's got a piece of metal that sharp. Oh, the alarm turned off. Wherever it was at. Nope, now it's back on. Huh. That's weird. Anyhow, this area to my left that you can't really see is part of a church property, and there's no trespassing on it, but we're on the sidewalk, so we're doing good. Yep. Well, I was hoping there might be something down this way, but it looks like nothing. What's that? Piece of rubber or foam or something. It ain't metal, let's just put it that way. It ain't metal. It's a long sidewalk. I gotta start getting myself used to the cold weather now. It was just a few days ago that I was complaining about sweating bullets. Now it's freezing. Alright, y'all. I don't want to walk down too much further, and that's the driveway to the church. I can't believe my light don't want to work. Now it came on a little bit. I don't know if the battery is actually bad or if it's just that cable connection is looking grody. Wait, look, there's something down here. Let's go take a look at it. I wasn't going to walk down any further, but I see something roundish or square-ish, and it's trash. It's a piece of floor. Yeah, it's no good. Looks like people must put their trash here too, because there's more of that floor down there. Alright, let's head back to the car. We got us a circuit board, we got us a copper cord, and some kind of other piece of metal, and two other kind of pieces of metal, like maybe cast aluminum and aluminum. So we did good. We scored good tonight. See? Keep out private property. No trespassing. I'm on the sidewalk. I'm not going over there. Even if I see a can, nope. It's gonna have to stay there. Oh, goodness. So sounding like that alarm may have turned back off. Look, there's a screw here. I passed it up earlier. I don't know if that is, yeah, it's metal. Oh, that's one of those lead weight holders. There's no weight on there. Alright, my bag is blowing around. Oh, there's a lead weight itself right there. Man, I don't know what's going on, but I hear sirens and everything, y'all. Can y'all hear them? I see a bolt. There goes the police. But they don't got their lights on. Oh, but they look like they're about to turn around and ask me what I'm doing. Alright, we'll see what happens. Okay, let's see here. Just get that bolt up. Hopefully I won't get in trouble for picking up trash again. Yep, at least I don't got much, huh? And I'm not in the road, so they can't get me for that. Alright, I guess that's it. What is that? Oh, like a cast, handle thing. Yeah. Okay. Take that too. Why not? Where did they go? I should have kept my eye on them, but I think I see a street sweeper bristle. And something roundish like a ring, but not a ring. At least I don't think so. Alright, we'll just kneel down here by this mailbox. We'll pick up the street sweeper fine and this thing right here. Oh, it's like a faucet thing, I think. Anyhow, this metal, I shall take it. Maybe they were going home. Maybe they're going to inspect the siren thing. But they didn't have their lights on. And they wasn't going extremely fast either. More cars are coming, so it's hard to check over there. But I totally passed that up a while ago. Totally. Well, maybe they decided not to ask me what I'm doing because I'm wearing my fluorescent vest and my red hat. Ooh, dang. Darn uneven sidewalks. I gotta watch where I'm going, y'all. Man, part of me really wants to take that TV. But nope. There's only little pieces of circuit boards in there with a plastic fork kind of thing. Little pieces of circuit boards in there with a little bit of gold on them, but not a whole lot. Oh, looky here. I passed that up too. Sure can. Okay. I kind of expected to see the rest of that remote control plastic, but no matter. They ain't got nothing else in there anyhow, except for maybe the battery terminal things. Yeah, I don't hear the siren anymore, or the alarm. But the area location where it was at, kind of, there's where the police car went down that way towards where the noise was at. Yeah, I thought I saw something there. Don't you hate that? You see something and you get closer and there's nothing there. Why is that? I don't know. But there's something here. Looks goldish. Let's see here. Oh, shroud for a lighter. Okay, they're driving fast. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead down this side street. It's got like a barrier here, but I came up the other side, so I'm gonna walk down this side and see if I find any more little pieces of metal. Oh, there's a car over there that wasn't there a while ago. Huh. Maybe they're watching me. Can't see anybody in there. Looks like a battery. Yeah, it's a battery. Oh, the alarm's going off again. It's on another street far away from me, but it's loud. Yeah. Oh, screw. See these people's tires right here. Right at the end of their driveway. Okay. Piece of a cigarette pack for cools. It's super dark, y'all. Super dark. But this seems like a nicer part of town, but I could be wrong, but it seems nicer. Nicer neighborhood, I should say. Almost yield. Oh, can you see that? Not really, it says yield. Everybody knows what the yield sign looks like, I think. But not everybody obeys it. Alright, y'all. Well. Time to go. I don't know if y'all can hear that siren or not. It's getting louder. Hey, looky here. Good thing I turned this way. There's some cans over here. Oh, they got liquid in them still. Oh, what's that one? That one actually looks like a shaving can. I don't want a shaving can. Uh-oh, I woke up a dog. What is that? Yeah, it's a shaving can. I don't want a shaving can. And definitely woke up somebody's dog. Good puppies. Good puppies. Protect your neighborhood. Alright, well, let's walk over this way. Uh-oh, there's a car coming. But I'm almost back to my car here. There's that alarm again. So, which way are they gonna go? That way? Okay. Man, I wonder what is going on over there. Makes me want to go check it out, but it's too scary to. You never know when people are gonna start shooting. But, I mean, is it really an alarm, or is it somebody watching a movie? Could be somebody watching a movie with that loud stuff. I don't know. I need to put my bag in the back because it's got beer cans in it. Or a beer can in it, whatever. Oof. Here we go. So apparently I need to do a video on changing the batteries out in this thing, but I usually like to get my, see, yeah, it's off again. I really like to take a wire bristle to it first. But for now I'm going to let you guys go. We can look at this thing here and see how cold it says it is. Okay, I was telling you how cold it was according to my phone. Now we'll see what the car says. If I can get my seatbelt on. Ugh. Oh my goodness. I'm all tied up for y'all. Hold on. Oh yeah, my percentage on my phone is dying too. So, here it says 62, and there it says 70, so it's 12:27 a.m. It's now officially Saturday. Happy Saturday! Alright, y'all, thanks for watching Gold Boonie Treasures. Bye!